Hello everyone. In this video lecture, let us discuss about the interfacing LED display. So the LED interface commonly used output peripherals are LEDs, 7-segment displays and LCDs. So the 7-segment displays interface used to display BCD digits 0 to 9. So the LED displays are classified into LED and 7-segment LED, alphanumeric LED, 5x7 matrix display. Here this diagram represents the 7-segment LED. This one is represents the alphanumeric LED. So next, the 7-segment display, there is interface used to display BCD digit 0 to 9. A group of 7 LEDs physically mounted in a shape of 8. So from A through G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this one is a decimal point. So based on the operation of the output, LED light will be glowed. So whether it is 1, that is BC, whether it is 1, so BC or 1, all other will be off. Suppose 7 means ABC will be on, rest of them is off. So whatever the input we are giving these output, the LED output will be glown. So let us see in this 7-segment display, there are two type of commonly used here is anode and cathode. So we used two types. One is a common anode and common cathode. So for common anode, so all anodes are connected to a power supply, that is a 5 volts. So cathodes are connected to a data lines. So the logic 0 indicates turns on a segment. So suppose to digit, that is a display the digit 1. For example, display to display the digit 1. So all segment except B and C should be off. So here I am taking a logic 0. So that means your there is F9 is your hexadecimal value F9. So we are giving input as the F9H. This one will be displayed. This one will be displayed on this LED display unit. So this type of circuit is referred to as static display because so the current is being passed through the display at all times. So the next there is, if I take for common cathode, okay, next. So this one is a reverse, reverse, that is there will be a operated in a logic 1. So that will be a logic 1. So all cathodes, this one, all cathodes are connected to a ground. So anodes are connected to data lines. So logic 1 turns on the segment. So if say for example, if you want to display the digit 1, all segment except B and C should be off. That means there is a 0, 6. So when your system is 0, 6, so then you will be get out is 1. Some of the disadvantages for 7-segment LED interfacings are, so for a segment to glow, it needs 20 milliamperes. So the current for 8 segment 160 milliamperes. To drive more segment LED, so our alphanumeric display, there is more milliamperes is to be supplied. So to overcome this, we can go. We will move for this multiplexed display. So this figure shows the multiplexed, that is a multiple digit display. So that is configured from 8 7-segment display unit. 8 7-segment display units. This one So in order to reduce the device count by eliminating the external data latches from the display unit, and they can be connected to two 8-bit parallel output ports. So and operated in a multiplexed mode. So all display unit share the common segment line, and only one unit is selected at a time through the digit select line. So through the digit select line, so each digit is driven from 1 milliseconds, and after rotating through all 8 units, the first one is returned to and the sequence is repeated. So the displays are repeatedly refreshed to give the illustration of a continuous lit multiple digit display. Since average current through each turn-on segment could be as high as 20 milliamperes and more than one segment may be lit per digit. So the resulting current exceeds the driving capacity of a regular TTL logic. So therefore, the digit drivers or segment drivers are needed. A low on the base of a digit driver transistor turns the transistor on and effectively connects the display unit to 5 volts. Effectively the display unit to 5 volts. So this means thus letting current flow through the segment. In addition, since the voltage drop across the forward biased segment diode is constant, a resistor in series with each segment is required to limit the current. So that is used to protecting the display and drivers. So the design resistor of these resistors depends on the desired display brightness. References. So these are all my references. Thank you for watching this video.